In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a catch-up task in Lemlist. So first head over to campaigns in the left panel and here open up a campaign and at the top go to the sequence editor. And this is where you build your outreach steps. Now here click on the add button to add a step. Then next is choose manual task. Now here set the task priority. And of course, assign the manual task to someone from your members and rename it to something like catch up. So basically, you set the title to something like this so that it's clear for your team. And now set the timing. So click on this pencil icon. For example, you can schedule this task a few days after your last email step. This ensures you're giving prospects enough time to respond before following up. You can also add instructions in the notes section, like send a personalized follow up or check LinkedIn activity so team members know exactly what to do. And once everything's set, save and activate your campaign. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!